So magandang araw kabola, sa video na ito pag-uusapan po natin kabola ang isa na naman pong trade suggestion po natin. At pag-usapan natin ang Barangay Ginebra kabola kasi may comment si Coach Yang Giao. Pag-usapan natin yung TNT kabola at marami pang iba. So mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakipindot naman po yung subscription button. Let's start po with this comment by Coach Yang Giao. Nakapag daw Ginebra yung kalaban mo, parang kalaban mo na po yung Gilas Pilipinas. Sabi niya yung Ginebra kahit tanggalin mo si Brownlee, malakas pa rin. Kalahati ng lineup ng Ginebra nasa Gilas team eh. So kapag kalaban mo Ginebra, parang kalaban mo din ang Gilas team eh. I do kinda agree. Pero of course, hindi naman talaga yung totoong Gilas team, no? Pero of course, yung point niya, kaboles, yung kung gaano po kalakas yung roster ng Barangay Ginebra. And again, I already said this a lot of times in the past videos, in the past few months, kabola. Ginebra clearly have the strongest lineup right now, kabola. Whether you like it or not, kasi nga, never say die team dapat kayo. In a way, nag-a-apply yan kapag kayo yung nasa disadvantage, especially po in the talent level. Pero in reality, Ginebra now, kabola, has the strongest lineup. Diba? Kabola. So, nasa Ginebra na yan, kabola. Diba? Kahit nga kahit walang Brownlee ngayon, talagang they have the strongest lineup. Especially their depth, kabola, of good, very good players, kabola. They are very, very deep. So, kung matalo sila, hindi sila mag-champion dito, kabola, wala. I mean, wala talaga. So, about TNT naman, out to prove, to banish as sa import, diba? Parang parang Ginebra din, kabola, diba? Both of them, yan yung parang banat sa kanila, mga as sa import, of course, for TNT, RHJ, kabola. So, tignan natin kung kaya po nilang i-prove yan. Kasi talaga naman, diba? If they can prove that, they will then accomplish kabola Grand Slam. If they fail to accomplish that, then magpe-persist kabola yung banat sa kanila ng ibang fans kabola na asa sila sa import kabola. Yan po yung mangyayari dyan kabola. And now they added Enciso, pero sa palagay kulang pa if they want to have a very, very good chance of securing this Grand Slam. Now, ito po, yung pag-uusapan natin isa pang matindi, no? Foreign squad wants to enter daw po the PBA, a new one. Yung Hong Kong Eastern po kabola, may agreement na sa PBA na multiple seasons. So, parang hinihintay daw ng PBA sa kanila, just in case is, kung hindi na daw sila sasali. Pero wala pa namang sinasabi, so parang sure pa rin po yung Hong Kong Eastern. So, meron pang isa. And for me, this is a very, very good news, kabola. For the PBA, additional income ito, kabola. For us, additional good competition, kabola. It's good for our entertainment, kabola, and it will be good in increasing pa po the level of basketball dito po sa liga. Comments muna tayo mga fans. Anthony Alon, yes, sana matuloy. Sabi na kabola, ganito yung kay Greg Slaughter. Then, Liza Maloy, Vertigo Lipas Gutom. Inhale lang palagi si Belga ang steam sa sinaing na kanin, mawawala na yan. O sa mga nagkaroon na po ng vertigo, yun ba yun, kabola? Inhale mo lang daw ba yung steam? Matutuloy na yan, SBI ng mother team, sabi naman ng Rex Bunkag. Sana nga magkatotoo yung mga binabalita mo, sabi ni Greg Villegas and then Adrian Dulay. Matutuloy kung papayag yung nagpa-silent ban sa kanya. Kilalanin nyo na kung sino yun, kaya di makapasok PBA yung si Greg. Silent ban, of course, yeah, we heard that rumor, kabola, pero at the end of the day, kabola, in a way, kasalanan din naman ni Greg yun, meron siyang part doon, kabola. Pero kung talagang sabi nga nila, desperate times ask for desperate measures, kabola. So tignan natin kung talagang yun na po yung magiging galawan dito, kabola. Nito nga pong Barangay, San Miguel pala, sorry, SMC. Now, ito na, I suggest a trade, di ba? Sabi ng rumor natin is that Anmise is looking for a trade to an MVP team, kabola. So I suggest a trade like this. Meralco will receive Anmise and Go, Ginebra will receive Albasan and Cancino, diba? So, for Meralco, kabola, they will get a veteran guard in Anmise, veteran guard wing. And they also get an Ateneo alumni, kabola. And of course, we all know the connection of the MVP group sa Ateneo. So, for me, this is a good package for them to have. And sa Anmise, of course, kumbaga, ito take over niya po yung role, kabola, nitong si Alin Maliksi. Sa Ginebra naman, they will get Almazan, di ba? In a way, they would rather have him, knowing that he is healthy, kabola. And then, of course, Cancino, player who is popular already, kabola, will surely make Ginebra even more easier to watch. Kamabal sa pagkaya mo, okay ba itong trade na to? Kami lang po sa baba.